In front of me is OPPO A40 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then click on App Cloner, select Agree and Continue, and click on one of your apps that you wish to clone. Then use this switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. After your app was successfully cloned, you can rename it over here. And also tap on when using quick functions to select one of those options. As you can see, my app is over here. If you want to get rid of it, go back to the same settings and use No Blue switcher. Then hit delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!